Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks for beginners. This is a simple piston modeling. You will see here aluminium alloy 106, 27 kg per cubic meter. Now here we have one isometric view. Now this is, let's consider front view, and there is a section of this front view. You will see here. Then this is the top view. This is third angle drawing. And there is one section view. Here we have one detail view also. Detail view of this. There are 9 holes if you consider in section view. See these holes, you will see something like this. Okay, so first we will create piston outer body. Total length, how much piston? 86 from bottom to top. Now outer diameter, how much you will see here in section view? 98 millimeter. Okay, then there is a one cutout inside. See this cutout in section view, 74 millimeter. Now here we have one depth 8, and this depth 12 this side. Okay, remember center depth 8, this side 12 millimeter. Okay, then similarly come down. These walls, inside walls are taper. Okay, see this depth 3 millimeter, then 60 millimeter from here to here. And see there are two diameter 90, 84. Okay, then 78 millimeter this diameter. Let's see how we can do this. And there are okay, then you will see these dimensions. These piston ring cutout, you will see 77, 79, 77, then 74, 72. The third ring is 69, 66. Okay, front plane sketch. Now let me activate here line. Okay, now select both the line, construction line. Okay, now let me draw a real line. Let me draw a straight and connect with this, and something draw like this. Okay, now look these drawings. First I am going to define length 86. Okay, then inside diameter. If keep cursor outside, it will show you diameter, inside radius. Keep outside and see this inside diameter, and this diameter at bottom 84. Then this one 90. Okay, this length 12, and this distance from here to here 8 millimeter. See this is center distance, and total outer diameter 98 millimeter. Okay, now we are going to achieve. Now this bottom depth 8 millimeter, and from bottom to here 60 millimeter. Not bottom, from above this 3 millimeter, 60 millimeter. Say okay. And inside diameter you saw 78 millimeter. Okay. Now this inside diameter 74 millimeter. Look, our drawing seems fully defined. Simply go to feature. I want to make this body in circular direction, so you must apply revolve boss base feature, because this feature going to flow or add material in circular direction. For that, first you have to choose axis of revolution. So this is the axis of revolution. See, by default angle applied 360, end condition blind, and you will see the material going to flow in circular direction. Say okay. Now let me Add some material, aluminium, polished aluminium. Okay, it looks better. Then again front plane sketch. Okay, before going, let me apply center line. Okay, now make it this construction geometry. Here choose corner rectangle and let me apply here 1. Start from end of this piston, 2, 3. Smart dimension. This inside diameter, keep diameter inside 90 millimeter. Okay. Now distance from here to upper, 79. Then second piston ring, upper dimension 74 and the second 72. Then third piston ring 69. Similarly 66. This is 3 millimeter gap. Okay. Now here I am going to select these 3 vertical lines, collinear relation. Look, it seems fully defined. I want to remove material here in circular directions. So go to revolve cut feature. See, by default, this center line selected as the axis of revolution, and in end condition, blind by default also 360-degree angle. You must apply and see the piston is going to cut. Now, before going to cut these circles, see at top face these circles 30 dia, the pitch circle diameter radius are 30, then angle 45. There are 4 things, and depth how much? See here 4 millimeter. But before that there is a radius R1, R1, R3, inside R4. Okay. Then bottom here see R2. So I am going to apply right plane. Okay. Now apply fillet. Again everything is same, 1 millimeter multi radius. Select this face, this edge and this inside edge and this side edge. Now this one at bottom given 2. Now this one 3 enter, and this inside one 4 enter, and the upper one 1 millimeter. See upper face. Okay. See, top face sketch. Now let me apply some line. Okay. Apply circle. Let's say circle here. One circle from this center to this. Make this for construction. Smart dimension. Now this diameter 30. Now pitch circle diameter also 60. Angle given 45. Circular pattern. Now here at the bottom entities to pattern, select circle. Now here you have to choose this center point. 360 degree and 4 number of patterns you need, so simply apply 360 equal space. This is important. 4 number of instance. Leave as it is. Say OK. And here see we achieve our result. Go to feature, apply extruded cut because I want to remove material in linear direction. Select here end condition blind 4. I want depth only 4 millimeters. Say yes. And here we achieve. This is the things. Now, let's do one thing. Let's add this inside portion. Okay, before going this, let me create this hole. See detail view, angle 115, 2 die. And there are total how many? You will see here, total 9. So gap you will see angle between 2, 12.5. Okay, remember this one. This is important. From center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns. Let's see. Right plane, sketch. Activate line. Select this corner point, hold shift key, select this one, coincide. Angle 115 degree. Okay, this is path. That's the things, nothing more. Keep little inside. Just check hidden view. Okay, it should penetrate this one. Okay. Now exit, and I want to use swift cut command, swift cut, because I want to cut in circular direction along this axis. Choose here profile, diameter of this 2 millimeter. You will see here normal view. See, apply. Now let me select section view. Okay, look, this is what we achieve. Mirror. Oh, before going to do mirror, let me apply circular pattern. Now first feature, let me select this hole. Axis, any circular edge. Okay, instances spacing 12.5. This spacing given 5 number of things, and this is going to play at one side. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apply. Mirror. Which plane is going to happen here? Right plane. Pattern to feature, feature to mirror. This one already selected. Say OK. Now the same thing we have to mirror in opposite direction. Mirror. Now reference plane, front plane. See mirror 1 already selected. So mirror 1 I want to create. Say OK. Look. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fine. Now we achieve this result. Now at inside this portion we need to do 100. From bottom, how much distance? 35. Circle 23. These diameter 34. And here you will see gap. This is important, 40 millimeter. Angle 100 millimeter. Corner radius R3. And okay, R3, R1. This the fine. Now I'm going to select front plane. Okay, this is the location at front plane. Sketch. Let me select hidden line visible. Activate line. Okay, let me create one more line, center line. Now let's define this line from bottom. It's 35. Enter. Now angle 100. Enter. Now distance from here to center distance 40. Now this whole diameter. Keep cursor outside, it will show you diameter. This diameter 23. Similarly, this upper diameter 34. Now this one, make sure it's not going to disrupt this line, inside line. It should be inside. Okay. Mirror entity. Now select this one. Mirror about this. Okay. Now I want to add material here. So go to feature, apply circular boss base. Now here axis of revolution, I am going to select this one. Now you will see, let me see. Keep merge result by default 360, fine. Okay, here we have some unnecessary parts. So direct editing, delete face, select the face. Here select delete and patch. Same thing going to happen in other side. Apply. See, this is clean. Now again right plane, sketch. Select this inside circle, convert entity, apply extruded cut. Here in end condition, choose through all, both side. Through all, both side. Say okay. Section view. Front plane. Okay. Perfect. This is the location. Fillet. Now constant type symmetric radius 1. I am going to select these two outer edges. Again fillet. This time let's choose 3 mm constant type and select these inside faces, because these two edges 3 mm. Say okay. Look, we done, I think. See, you will see these inside holes. Oh yeah, we done. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.